Hello everyone out there at home. Welcome back to another Growing with the Gold. I'm Michael Beck. We're here in the research and development greenhouses getting started for our spring season here at Royal Gold with all things Baker Creek, all sorts of amazing varieties. We're doing a bunch of test runs and germinations in all of our different soils with our brand new East Coast blends and our original tried and true West Coast blends. So come on, take a look at all these seeds we started in the last 2 weeks. We're starting to get some amazing germination, and we're going to show you the next things we're about to start. So over here you can see the red tags, the green tags, the purple tags. Everything has a little bit different meaning to keep us clued in as to what's going on, as we have so many moving pieces. The red tags over here, these are our East Coast versions, using the forest products available in the East for our new South Carolina manufacturing facility that's coming on so soon. You're going to be getting product out on the East Coast from our new facility in the coming weeks, and we want to show you that it's working as well, if not better, than our tried and true West Coast blends, and we're so proud to share this. You can see these are the same varieties planted on the same day, side by side. We're getting really similar results. Maybe a little higher germination on the West Coast side, but we've got bigger plants on the East Coast side, and we're getting a great comparison here. So we're going to continue to highlight that through the season as we move into our other food production greenhouse, fill in our beds, and fill in our large 400-gallon pots and more. So stay tuned to see how these mixes compare and see what you're going to be getting back out east. You can see in some of these other containers, we have our potting mix, we have our King's mix, and we have our planting mix. The planting mix is really easy to pick out in these videos because it doesn't have perlite. You can see over here, these are really just starting to get going. Our weather's really starting to shift from very cold the last week and a half to some nice, beautiful days. We're getting some heat. These are really starting to take off since that warm spell has started to move in. So we're gonna have really great germination coming on in the next few days here in the planting mix, and you'll be able to follow these plants all the way through till harvest in our upcoming videos. As we're starting to get some traction on those previous sprouts, we're gonna fill in some of this space down here. We're gonna show you some soil blocking techniques with our planting mix, and we're gonna sprout some seeds side by side in loose soil and in the soil blocks to show you how that's done. Soil blocking is a great technique. More and more people are utilizing it to build their own kind of static plugs, so to speak, to plant their seeds in. We'll show you some of the finer details of how that's done coming up soon.